story. Parang na...
But, and then he said, he was there with the mayor and the sister of the mayor, and apparently I'm an icon in Taguig. So,
Siyempre, hello.
the city that's hopefully backing me up. It's nice. My city is backing me up, hopefully. And then he was just saying, hopefully the...
Doon ka ba nag-stay ngayon? Hindi.
That's where I live now. And,
Kahit hindi ka pa siguro kasali, icon ka na dun eh.
So, Batangas sa akin.
Ayo, may Batangas din ako eh.
Fine hati.
ako,
Kakalagod na.
Para si Betty mo.
Taguig, and Makati.
San Francisco.
Yeah, the people in the States who vote.
China.
You know why? Because Irish got a lot of votes from the States, no? Did she ever put up a nomination? Do you know? Was she ever a pro-B? No.
Yeah, twice.
Oo, lagi
Right.
siyang probi.
Twice daw.
And she made it all the way to Araneta. That just goes to show if the people like you. Bahala na. Nothing can go wrong, no? I mean, well, things can still go wrong, but come on, Sam. And we're from the same area. She's Bay Area, like me. Like the Canadian guy. He also had a lot of support. The Christoph guy?
Shad?
Christoph. But he hit his maximum.
Kay Shad, lagi ko nakikita sa dun sa amin.
Why?
Dun tambay niya, dun kainan niya.
Ay, naku, sana pwede ko na tapos si Jerry Gonzalo.
Oo.
Ayun ang sasabihin ko, duwat. Si Piolo na agaw mo niya. Si Billy naman.
Kasi ulang kayo ni Billy. Hindi kumakanta si Billy. Ay, kumakanta
Kumakanta
si
siya,
Billy.
ano ka
Ano
ba?
ba yan? Yung nga pala una niyang diba?
Wow! Ano ko si Billy, yung lola niya, nasabi ko na yata sa'yo. Yung lola ko, kaklose yung mom niya, kabully niya dati. Nalala ko, nakita ko siya doon, litit pa niya. Malit pa kami ng dalawa. Noon ko naalala niya ako. Nakita ko siya noon. Friend ng lola ko yung mom niya.
Cute-cute niya nung...
Tatanong ko na lang.
Kapa ng hair?
Sobrang, perfect ng mukha niya. Ano yung tawag dito?
Come on,
Ay,
Malabon,
siya.
Malabon, Bulacan,
Kinang-
QC. Come on, please support me.
Sa Malabon?
Yes,
Nandun
ma'am.
ako sa Malabon, pero hindi.
You
dun.
also?
Yeah.
Malabon, Bulacan, Pampanga.
Pero hindi ganun kalaki sa Malabon.
Hindi ko, alam mo, totoo lang. Nung ko yung maano sa ana. Magalit. Hindi. Oo, yung sabihin kay Bunny.
Huh?
Si Bunny, na-feel ko lang sa sarili ko, ha. Para sa akin, gusto ko na siya lumabas.
Kasi
Bakit?
nahihirapan siya.
Nahihirapan siya, sobra. Nakikita ko yung struggle niya talaga dito.
Tuwing gabi, no?
Sabi ng doktor, nagpa-check up kami. Maglabas na operahan siya, agad.
Agad.
Kaya tuwa siya.
Tsaka hindi, yun ang niya, diba?
Exposure.
Yung picture
Lagi.
ni Chivas tsaka ni baby niya.
Sobrang homesick na siya. Depressed, hirap na hirap sa sarili niya. Talagang malaking doubt niya sa sarili niya kasi kahit ako
You would also if you're like
ako
that.
rin actually kung gano'n.
But for me, like parang, yeah, she's having a hard time. Like we can't even rehearse.
Pero ang galing niya, laban pa rin kasi lagi
Laban
din
rin
natin
pa
siyang
rin.
sinasabihan. Kasi kung hindi, alam mo nadadown talaga siya kung hindi natin siya sinasabihan.
Si Bunny kasi, number 6, hindi namin kaya mabuhay ng walang companion. I mean, kailangan may pagsasabi namin sa mga may magsasabi sa amin na ganito, ganyan. Pag mag-isa kami patay.
You're really a 6. You're such a 6.
Oo.
Why?
To the point, look what happened last Saturday. That's how much of a 6 you are.
Ano yan?
Like you wanted to support Miguel because you really felt, because you didn't know my side 100%. So you wanted to support Miguel because, of course, you're starting to get close. You got close to him. Then you saw his 4th time na, and you only know his side that,
Fourth time na.
Diba? Nag-4th time siya
Oo. Natatawa lang ako magsalita sa'yo.
Bottom niya, 4th na. No?
Parang kumakanta.
4th time.
O kaya nga sabi niya, pag ngayong Sabado, gano'n na, wala na.
No, there's no ruling. There's no ruling.
Wala na nga.
There's no ruling that was mentioned. Or did it say in the book?
Sinabi yun bago pumasok.
At saka kung
Pero
sakaling
wala siya
mabottom
sa
siya ulit, si Bunny kalaban niya, ewan ko lang.
Why? You think Bunny would?
Miguel and Bunny? Mukhang mas malakas